My name is Mark Bauer. I'm the master chef at the International Culinary Center. Today I'm here in the events kitchen. I'm going to show you how to carve lemons. To carve the lemons, all you need is a paring knife. It can be short like this or a little longer, 4.5 inch. Both work very well. First, we're going to do wolf's teeth or dent de loup. And usually it's used as a garnish for a fish course or a platter. I use my knife, I touch my blade in the middle of the blade like this. I make sure that the distance from my fingers to the point reach the middle of the lemon. So this way you can do the same thing for an orange or for a grapefruit. So here we go. Go to the middle of the lemon and carve a zigzag all the way around toward the center of the lemon. There we go. The next I'm going to do is a basket. So I trim the bottom of the lemon very, very little, and this a little more, because this is going to be the flat side. Then go down the middle. Same way, this lemon is going to be used as a garnish, but it's a little more involved because you have like the top of the basket. It's like a basket. You do a zigzag the same way, starting from the basket holder all the way around. Make sure you go through the center of the lemon and try to stay around the middle of your lemon. I reach the other side of the basket and continue one more time. As you see, it takes just a little longer. Once I reach the other side, I'm going to be able to remove the lemon. Then I'm just going to carve right around so it looks like a basket, lemon basket. Traditionally we use a little parsley. Here I use a little chervil. Remove any pits maybe. The next thing I'm going to work on is lemon wedges. You trim the lemon on both sides, cut in half. In order to avoid the pit, I just see, I go, this is the middle, instead of cutting that way, I go right after the lemon. You have like little lemon wedges, it's ready to be pressed, and you avoid any pits that way. This has been Mark Bauer, and that's how you carve lemons.